Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Beef smugglers from Belgaum suspected behind attack on animal lovers. Parsekar cautions activists don't obstruct beef supply, restrict to animal rescue. Assembly witnesses heated debate over Célula Comunidad scam. Porvorim MLA demands House panel to probe, accuses Minister of involvement. DMA tells Ponda Municipal Council to fix its bylaws for SOPA rates, asks Council to implement Street Vendors Act. MLAs demand government to implement Transplantation of Human Organs Act, demands State Committee with Organ Retrieval and Organ Transplantation Center. And new entrants Kalyani Bharat FC hold Tempo Sports Club to goalless draw in I-League. Five-time champion placed third from bottom in I-League standings. And now the news in detail. Beef smugglers lobby from Belgaum is suspected to be a mastermind behind the recent attack on the animal lovers Amrut Singh and Hanuman Parab at Solla. Chief Minister Parsekar has cautioned the activists to limit their activism to the animal rescue and not to block beef supply, which is a part of common minorities' food. Meanwhile, Honda police have seized 3 vehicles carrying 18 bulls after a complaint from animal lovers.
Animal lovers हे जे अमृत सिंग आसा किंवा आमचो हनुमंत परब आसा हे एनिमल वेलफेअर च्या खातीर इतले काम करतात ते बिचोली आसूं ते वाळपय आसूं किंवा सत्तरी पूर्ण सत्तरी आसूं.
It has been हो हल्लो सुद्धा it has been organized from Belgaum जे तितले सप्लायर्स आसात तांचे कडल्यान जाल्लो आसूंक जावो अशें चड करून दिसता. आमची पुलीस टीम बेळगांव गेली विधानसभा जातकीर परत नव्यान परत तितलो जो PI आसा तेका हो विशय परत इन्व्हेस्टिगेशनाक घेवपाक हांव सांगता. पण एक आमच्या एनिमल लवर्सांनी गोश्ट लक्षांत दवरूंक जाय. जर एनिमल्साच्या अगेन्स्ट जर कितें ऑफेन्स जाता आसत घटना घडटा आसत जाल्यार पुलिसांची मदत घेवची, थंय स्वता वचचें न्हय. ह्या राज्यांत जे 37-38% मायनॉरिटीज आसात तांच्या जेवणाचो कुझिनाचो हो भाग आसा आणि त्यामुळे बीफ तांकां लागता आणि त्यामुळे येणारे बीफ जे मांस येता तें आडोवपाच्या भानगडीन पडचें न्हय. गोंयचो जो गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स आसा हो ह्या निमित्तान ताका गती मातशी दिवंक जाय अशें म्हाका दिसता. दिवया.
इल्लीगल स्लॉटरिंग जे आसा ते बंद जावपाक जाय. इल्लीगल स्लॉटरिंग आसा न्ही ते बंद जावपाक जाय. तुमचो गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स आसा कायदेशीर तुम्ही करपाक जाय, काय हरकत ना, करात.
Meanwhile, situation turned tense at Honda checkpost after police confiscated 3 vehicles carrying 18 bulls. Animal lovers informed that bulls were being smuggled via Chorla Ghat. Meat traders from Goa gathered at Honda checkpost. Vehicles were later released after Meat Traders Council produced necessary documents and doctor's certificate before the police. With bureau inputs, Vishwanath Nene for Prudent.
Assembly witnessed a heated debate over Célula Comunidad. Porvorim MLA Rahon County demanded a House committee to probe Célula Comunidad scam. He accused the minister without naming of being involved in this scam. While demanding a concrete action by next assembly session, County questioned Revenue Minister over the irregularities in the Célula Comunidad.
2003 BJP सरकार आशिल्लो आणि हे रेझोल्यूशन नासतना बांदपाचें काम घेतलें आणि गांवकारांनी तेन्ना बोवाळ केलो. बोवाळ करतकर तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर वॉज बुगडे. ही स्टॉप्ड इट, कॅन्सल्ड द लायसन्सीस एंड द प्लीन तांणी जी बांदिल्ली इलिगली तशीच उरली. ताज्या मागीर स्पिकर इट हॅज बीन रनिंग इन केसीस 2011 ती केस डिसमीस जाली. देर वॉज नो एप्रुवल गिवन. हो सरकार आयलो आणि हांगाचो एकटो मंत्री वॉज इनवॉल्ड इन दॅट फॉर दॅट पर्टिक्युलर हीज ओन इंट्रस्ट. ताज्या खातीर स्पिकर ताणें तेन्ना ही स्टार्टेड मुवींग इट इन अ लिटल डिफरंट नोट. सेरुला कुमुदाचे इलेक्शन जो टर्म सोंपलो टेम्पररी कमिटी एक अपॉइंट जाली. टेम्पररी कमिटी जी अपॉइंट जाल्ली वॉज नॉट अलाउड टू डू एनी ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स. हे जे पैसे पे केल्याक TCPक, हे जे पे केल्या पंचायतीक पैसे आणि कन्स्ट्रक्शनाक जे पे केल्या हे कुमुदादीन खंयच्या अकाउंटांतल्यान पैसे पे केले आणि कोणे पे केले.
म्हाका प्रश्न हा वेदर सेरुला कुमुदाद हॅज एनी प्रोजेक्ट अंडर रिहॅबिलिटेशन. हांवें ताका सांगलें फक्त एक रेजोल्युशन घेतलेलें आहा, बाकीचे डिटेल म्हाजे कडेन ना म्हणून. आतां तो पिन पॉयंट क्वेश्चन म्हाका विचारता पळय ते सप्लिमेंटरीन थंय येवं शकना, ताका प्रश्न येवपा जाय.
तुम्ही दुसरो फुडलो सप्लिमेंटरी विचारा.
दुसरोच विचारला ते रिप्लाय मेळना तोय
विचारात.
आणि खंयचो थर्ड वन आय वांट टू प्रोब इन दिस.
जाल्यार आय एम मुव्हिंग.
Speaker sir, if you are not allowing, you want to have it biased. I am putting a charge that this is a scam. This is a big scam of Kumudad where you all are all participating and it is a connivance of the government.
Now
Speaker
you
sir.
can sit.
14 जणांक भितर उरले Speaker sir. Let him talk about a house committee. हांव सगळे म्हजे सगळे ताजे कडेन दिता. Before the next assembly session, let him commit that he will take action on this based on the reports I submit.
आम कोण हावसा कोण जाय बाबा, कोण मंत्री ते? आमी मंत्री आहा, आमकां फितूर करता जाल्यार कोणपा जायना. सांग नांव सांगचें. नाव सांगा.
तुमची भितरली भानगड टुरिझमाची म्हजेर घाल नाका. You all can decide within the tourism minister.
Sir.
Directorate of Municipal Administration has directed Ponda Municipal Council to make its own bylaws to fix SOPO rates. DMA has also directed Ponda Municipality to implement Street Vendors Act. Ponda Municipality had raised SOPO from 5 rupees per square meter to 12 rupees per square meter, which is being opposed by the market vendors.
During the hearing before the Directorate of Municipal Administration, Ponda Municipality defended increased SOPO and also contended that SOPO has been raised as per law. Ponda Municipality further stated that in the absence of its own SOPO fixation law, charges were raised on the basis of bylaws of Belgaum Municipal Council. But DMA in its order has directed Ponda Municipal Council to frame its own bylaws under the Goa Municipality Act to fix SOPO. DMA has also directed Ponda Municipal Council to implement the Street Vendors Act. Ponda Municipal Council in its resolution dated 8th August 2014 had enhanced SOPO from 5 rupees per square meter to 12 rupees per square meter. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.